Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Apple Pay for New York Subway. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to use Apple Pay on the New York Subway, you have to follow these steps. First, before heading out, make sure your Apple Pay is properly set up. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on plus icon at the top right. Here, select debit or credit card. Then simply follow through with the prompts to add your card. Once card added, also, make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled so you can quickly authenticate your payments. Now, once you arrive at a subway station in New York City, look for the OMNY contactless readers. These are usually located on turnstiles and buses, and they have a tap symbol on a screen. If you see OMNY, it means Apple Pay will work there. Here comes the important part. On your iPhone, double-click the side button to open Apple Pay. Then authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, simply hold your iPhone near the OMNY reader. iPhone. Wait for the green check mark, and just like that, the turnstile will unlock and you're good to go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Apple Pay for New York Subway. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.